So I've had some questions about how to read the unit guide and how to prepare for quizzes. So that's what I'm going to start off with, is talking about the unit guide, and then I'll move on to talking about quizzes. So each class has its own unique unit guide, which I've gone through and told you exactly what day each thing is due. Now this unit guide, the nice thing about it also is if you lose it, you can print it off online. And also these big dates are also, you're going to see them on Passport. For instance, for August 29th, which is a Wednesday, you are going to meet on the second D-Day and do lessons 2 and 3, which I'll show you where those are, and then you're going to read pages 5 through 9 out of your textbook. So you go down here and say you miss class, well, you miss these 2 lessons, 2 and 3, Paleolithic, Neolithic age, and then Mesopotamia. Reading due, if something's due, that means by the time you get to class on a particular day, for instance, you needed to have read already out of your textbook pages 5 through 9. So step 1 to doing your homework notes, these nightly notes here that you need to do essentially every night of the unit, you're going to have to read those pages. Step 1 is read. Now step 2 is basically you're going to go down here and you're going to look at the particular questions. And you're going to answer these questions, such as this example here. The questions need to be thorough, their answers. Like it says here, I don't want you to go and parrot the question. I don't want you to write directly out of the textbook. I want you to paraphrase. I want you to put it into your own words. So these are the particular questions. Then for the quiz, I'm going to pull randomly some of these questions. And if they're handwritten and you did them yourself, you can use these questions on the quiz. They're the exact same questions. I'm just going to randomly pull them. So it's really a check to make sure that you're doing what you need to do with your homework. Now, tips. How can you do better on the quizzes? Because some of you didn't start off so well. The obvious thing is keep up with the nightly reading. Don't leave all 5 pages, 5 sections before the night of the quiz. And take your time. If there's only 3 questions, I expect them to be well done. And if you have questions about it, obviously don't ask me the day of the quiz. Come and see me before, and I'll totally help you out. So there you go. Kind of helps you a bit about how to read the guide and then what exactly I'm looking for the quiz. And if you have further questions, you can ask me.